Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your store as a Zepto delivery partner. Whether you've moved to a new area or simply wish to work from a different location, understanding the correct process is key. We'll guide you through the steps to ensure a smooth transition, helping you continue your deliveries efficiently and effectively. Let's get started with the first step. To begin, open your Zepto partner application and navigate to the Help and Support section. Here, you will find an option to raise a new ticket. Select this and then choose Store Change from the available categories. You'll then be prompted to select your preferred city and the specific store name. After making your selections, simply submit your request. Before submitting your request, it's crucial to consider a few points. First, confirm that Zepto operates in your desired new city and that there are available stores. The processing time for a store change can vary, typically taking anywhere from 1 to 7 days. Also, be very careful with your selection, as making an incorrect choice might restrict you from requesting another change for about 1 month. Once your request is submitted, Zepto's support team might reach out to you for confirmation. Your partner application will then reflect your new store location after approval. If you are looking to change cities, please note that this process often requires you to visit the new city's Zepto store and speak directly with the store manager for assistance with your ID transfer. This ensures a smooth transition to your new working location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.